Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Brawl Stars. So without any further ado, let's get started. Brawl Stars is a fast-paced multiplayer mobile game in which players compete in various game modes including Gem Grab, Showdown, Heist, Bounty, Brawl Ball and Seize, each with its own unique objectives and challenges. Now in order to download it, first of all go to Play Store. In the search bar type in Brawl Stars. Now tap on the install button in order to download it. Now after the app has been installed, click on the play button in order to play the game. So that is how you can download Brawl Stars. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.